Good morning, respected employers, my HR fraternity friends and colleagues, cross-functional fraternities friends and colleagues. Today I am going to address on COVID-19 versus how to combat the challenges brought forth by COVID-19 to the organizations. For one and all, whether mini, small, medium, large, during the period of COVID or pandemic, lot of things happened. Many industries suffered, many businesses suffered, many employment, unemployment both generated for one reason or the other. The question remains, earlier maybe we thought it's a one-time matter, it has come and it will go. And accordingly, to manage the crisis, we have organized or we have reorganized in some sort or the other way to keep abreast or keep moving the organizational functions barring the severe lockdown situation. But it appears now that this situation is not going to relieve the business houses in very short term. Rather, it will give a very long term challenge before the organizations to combat with. Now, how do we do it? Is a very big question. To me, organizations, irrespective of size and nature or the location, has to revisit very carefully, going to the square one of manpower planning, organization structuring, restructuring and manpower planning. But before we do that, what we need to do is to measure the present context of and present status of organizations' efficiency and effectiveness in terms of ROI and other parameters in numeric and measured way. Another point is, yes, probably to me, structuring, restructuring, manning, remanning is the call of the day. It has already come. Some might have done, some might be doing, some should be doing. But are we taking care of, as I said, the organization structuring, restructuring, efficiency and effectiveness level of the organization, and then frame out a roadmap, what to do, how to do, and how to go ahead. For that purpose, a very in-depth study has to be carried out across the organizations of all resources, not only one. It is not that only manpower or people side has been affected. Every side of the resources of an organization has been affected by the COVID or pandemic situation. After doing the catalytic, analytic and precise study of the present scenario and the sort of the future, organization has to focus on organizational developmental needs inclusive of its all dimensions and variables. That includes everything what I said little earlier as well. Then the challenge becomes, rather more of the challenge is how to drive organization development, which includes change management as well, both at strategic level as also operational level. Strategic level is a dimension which has to be done depending on the business environment, business scenario, forthcoming future, down the line 5 year, 10 year, global perspective of the economy, national perspective of the economy, how it is moving, where it can go, what are the speculations should be done, can be done, taking the advices of the speculators in the market, including the security market as well, and then find out what are the changes to bring in the process of organizational development, both at strategic and operation level. More than issues will come when organization will go for organizational development process, because that hits the manpower directly, or that attracts focus, organizing, reorganizing, restructuring, so and so forth, remaining so and so forth in the organization, which is going to be a very critical task for both HR fraternity as also the top management. Now, how to go? It is not that it's a simple job to do. It has certain things has to be focused on. Number one, what are the value champion points to be catered to during addressing the organization development vis-a-vis change management as well. Number one is financial performance of the organization, as I said earlier also, measuring efficiency and effectiveness of the organization in terms of percentage and ratios. Then employee competencies and compatibility, as also employability, as also capability level. Then comes solid customer base, because customer demand, customer segment, customer focus, customer challenges has also been affected by the pandemic situation across the globe. So those are also need to be studied in detail to understand the market dynamics to at present and forthcoming in near and for future. And not but the least is market environment is going to be very volatile, economy is going to be very volatile, economic power has going to be a struggle for the countries of the globe. Powers and superpower games are going to be on. National power or national industrial power struggle is already continuing, and that will continue to be. And in this scenario, the middle size, large size conglomerates are facing a lot of challenging situations. Some are overcoming, maybe at this point of time, but maybe that is not also sufficient for this time as well. So futuristic view, futuristic study, and futuristic attempts to organize, reorganize all the resources in all the ways possible is the call of the day for survival and growth in the industry and business. Hope my small address will attract the attention of the employers and the top management, including the HR fraternities who are playing the catalytic role in this process, and they will try to attend the call of the day and call of the future. Thank you. Thank you very much.